of the most important question, and very easy also to solve this question. In this they are not asking to find out the distance, okay, they are not asking to find out the height. In this question they are asking to find out the time they are asking here, time. So let us start reading this question. A straight highway, there is a straight highway, okay, there is a straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. Okay, so this is the tower, AB is the tower. Okay, a man standing at the top of the tower. Okay, so man standing at the top of the tower means we have to draw one horizontal line because the man is standing at the top of the tower. Okay, so he is observing the from the top of the car, from the top of the tower. So that is why we have to draw one horizontal line, because that man is standing on the top of the tower. Whenever any object is on the top of the tower or any building, then you should draw the horizontal line because they will be given the depression. Okay, they will be always will give the depression. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car. Okay, so car is coming here. Let us consider this is the point here, is the car. C is the point of the car. The first angle of depression is 30 degree. Angle of depression is 30 degree. Okay, so this is the angle of depression. This angle of depression is 30 degree. Okay, angle of depression is what? 30 degree here. Angle of depression is 30. So this is also equal to 30 degree. Okay, this always will be same. Next, what, which is approaching the foot of the tower, means this car is moving. This car is moving towards the foot of the tower. The car is moving towards the foot of the tower. So let us consider the car has reached this point. Okay, car is reached at this point, that is a D point. Okay, at this point the angle of depression is given or not? Let us see. Yeah, it is given there. Approaching the foot of the tower at uniform speed. That is second they given. 6 seconds later. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Okay, so 6 seconds later, the angle of depression is how much it is? 60 degree. 60 degree is found. So this angle is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Okay, so after 6 seconds we got here. Okay, after how much second? 6 seconds. So the car is now reaches the point D. The first car position is C. Okay, and the next car position is now here the D. But this at the point D taken the 6 second time. To reach the point D, it is taken the 6 second time. Okay, so now time is taken for this. Time is taken 6 seconds. Time is taken 6 seconds. What they are asking to find out, the time taken by car, find the time taken by car to reach the foot of the tower, means from the D to B, how much time it will take, they are asking. To travel from D to B, how much time is will be taken. So what I will do here, time taken by the car from D to B, I will consider as a what? T second. Okay, T second I will consider. So first I will start with the CD. Listen very carefully. Height of the tower is, I think, not given. Height of the tower is not given. Okay, height of the tower is not given in this case. Height of the tower is not given. Okay, so here the depression, first depression 30 degree, second depression 60 degree, and the 6 seconds later. This is the 3 points are important to us. Okay, so let us start now. Let us start with the speed. The speed of the car. Let us consider x. Speed of the car is what? X kilometer per hour. Okay, so what is the time taken? Time taken to cover CD. Time taken to cover CD, that is equal to what? 6 seconds. Time taken to cover CD, that is equal to 6 seconds. So what is the distance CD? Distance CD you have to find out. So what is the formula we have to use here? For distance formula, what is the distance formula here?
Sir, distance is equal to speed by time. Speed by time.
Think over it.
Speed by time, sir.
Think over it. Formula only don't know.
Into time, sir. Speed into time.
Speed into time. Distance CD is equal to speed into time. Means speed is x. X into 6, nothing but CD is equal to 6x. CD is equal to 6x. Okay. So CD is the distance, that is a 6x we have got. 6x. Okay, now we have to find out the distance BD. Okay, distance BD you have to find out. Distance BD. But we don't know the time here. We know the speed. Speed we know. Speed of the car is what here? X only. Okay, time taken. Time we don't know. Time taken to cover dB, that is equal to t. Let us consider t. So distance, what is the distance dB? Can you say what is the distance bd? Again the formula is same, speed into time. So speed is
Into
here
time, sir.
x into t. So here distance is x into t means xt. xt, here the distance is xt. Okay, distance is xt here. Completed C. This much we have done. Always remember these two distance are very important, CD and the DB. If you got this distance, then easily you can solve the problem. So let us start to do the problem now. Okay, so here AB I will consider as a H. AB I will consider as a H. Now here I have to take one triangle, that is a triangle ABD. ABD. So in this ABD we know the angle is 60 degree. This is the ABD. Okay, the AB I know it is H, and this is the XT I know. Okay, so in triangle ADB I have to use here tan theta, that is equal to what? Perpendicular by base.
Perpendicular by base.
Theta is 60 degree. Perpendicular is H, by base is XT. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to H divided by XT. Okay, so now what we should do here?
Cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication. So here I can write here H is equal to
Root 3 XT.
H is equal to root 3 XT. Okay, very good. So H is equal to root 3 XT. We got this one. Now we have to go for the another triangle. Okay, another triangle. What's the name of the another triangle? That in triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. AB is the H. What about the BC?
6x plus XT.
6x plus xt. Okay, so tan theta, here theta is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree, otherwise tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So theta is 30 degree. Perpendicular is a H, by base 6x plus xt. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So what is the value of H?
Root 3 XT.
Root 3 xt, correct. So I'll write yes. So 6x plus xt. Cross multiply this root 3 and this multiply. So 6x plus xt is equal to root 3 into root 3 is become 3xt. So xt
3 XT.
3xt minus xt, this xt transpose. So that is equal to what? 2xt. 2xt. So now what we'll do here, 6x by 2x is equal to t. X cancel, therefore t is equal to 3 second. So t is the answer we got here, 3 second. This is the final answer.